By the end of this video, you will know how to create a Matter budget in Clio Manage. Start by signing in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are in, open the Matter you want to work with. This should be the Matter where you want the budget to apply. When the Matter details are on screen, click Edit to open the Matter settings. On the Edit page, scroll down until you reach the Billing Preference section. This part controls whether the Matter can be billed and whether budget options are available. Make sure the setting labeled This Matter is Billable is enabled. If this setting is off, turn it on before continuing. That detail is important because the budget settings for the Matter depend on billable status. After that, look for the Matter budget area. In that section, check the option labeled Set a budget for this Matter. This tells Clio Manage that you want to assign a budget specifically to the matter you are editing. Once the budget option is enabled, enter the budget amount. Type the amount you want to use for this matter. This is the value Clio Manage will use as the matter budget going forward. So enter the number carefully and confirm it matches what you intend to set. If you want expenses to count toward the same budget total, you can also enable Include Expenses in this budget. This step is optional. If you leave it unchecked, the budget will not include expenses. If you want the budget to reflect both billed work and expenses, check that box before moving on. There is also an optional notification setting available if you want firm users to be alerted when the Matter budget reaches a certain threshold. To use it, enable Notify Firm Users when Matter budget reaches threshold. After that, enter the budget usage percentage that should trigger the alert. For example, this percentage determines the point at which Clio Manage will send a notification based on how much of the budget has been used. Once the threshold percentage is entered, select the recipients who should receive those notifications. Choose the relevant firm users from the available options. Make sure the selected recipients are the correct people for this matter, since they will be the ones notified when the budget usage reaches the percentage you set. When all of the budget settings are in place, review the section one more time. Confirm that the matter is marked billable. The budget is enabled, the amount is entered correctly, and any optional expense or notification settings match what you want for this file. Then click Save Matter to apply the changes. Your Matter budget is now created and saved in Clio Manage.